Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $300 daily just by typing names. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a very easy way to make big money here, okay? You're going to be making 300, maybe even 500. And I'm going to show you how this one lady is making over $50,000 with this one website, okay guys? So this is going to be cool to check out. And I'm going to give you two free tools, new tools that I haven't shown on my channel yet that will help you in this to make it even easier for you guys to make big money with this method. And it's available worldwide, so everybody can join in and try this method. Okay guys, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, just before we get started, you're on my YouTube channel, so I just want to point this thing out, okay? Because if you want to learn how I make big money online, you need to come to my channel art right here and go to the right. You see a link called Make Big Money here, guys, okay? This link will show you what I do to make a full-time income online, and you can click that and it'll give you all the information. And this is the way to make a passive online income, guys. And today's method, let's jump into it though, okay? This is the site I'm going to show you today, Squat Help. I know I've shown this site before on my channel, but I'm going to have a good twist for you to add some big income to this method, okay? And also, I'm going to show you somebody that's been making a lot of money on this one website. And you can possibly do the same if you want to make money this way, okay, guys? So what this is that you are going to help brand new companies come up with names for their new company that they want to start. So it could be a name, it could be a slogan, it could be whatever they kind of want to ask for in their contest. So what these new business owners do is that they come up with a contest and they want ideas from a bunch of people, okay? So this is Squat Help. You can find it at squathelp.com. Then you go to contest and you go to see browse active contests. Once you get to this page, you see that this is already a filter on active and pending winner selection. So that means that this filter actually you could take off because it means that they are very far into the contest. So if you take this, then you just see all the different ones that are active right now. Okay. So you can see that right here on the first beginning few here. You're not just going to be earning 300. You're going to be earning 500 for these types of contests up here. See, they just want a name, an intriguing name for a tech company. A peer-to-peer car sharing business, and they need a name. Okay? And then here, for this one's a home inspection business, and they want a name, a logo, and a tagline. Okay? And that one's going to pay out 500. This one's also pay out 500, and this one's 500. And then you see some 300 ones. So a logo for a real estate agency, classic name for a holding company, name for next gen accounting and a bookkeeping firm. So there's a lot of $300 contests, and then it goes up from there, okay? And you can see how many entries there are already on these and how much time is left. What I'm going to show you to help you come up with the names, you're not going to need to come up with the names on your own, guys, okay? That's what I'm telling you. You don't need any skills because you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in business name generator. So you'll land on this page. It is called businessnamegenerator.com. So for example, I'm going to show you in the contests here. So let's say this peer-to-peer car sharing business. So I'm just going to type in car sharing and then click generate. And look, you will already have 23,721 name ideas already, okay? This is what I mean about, this is a great tool for you to use and it's free, of course. So this is a great way for you guys to get some names, get your ideas jogging with this kind of name generator. So like, this is really cool, like Caraholic, Car Station. I mean, these are pretty good names it's suggesting. Because I have seen some other name generators that aren't very good at all. And this one's actually decent. look, car prism, car runner. You can start with this and then kind of look for, go on GoDaddy as well and see if there's a domain available for the name, because it will help the owner if the domain name is available as well. So you want to double check that. So the contest usually runs for 7 days. So once you submit it, you're gonna wait until they will shortlist the names that are coming in, and then they're gonna pick a winner, and then you're gonna be notified. So if you go up here, go back up to contests, and you look at winners here, you're gonna see a bunch of different winners. Like they announce it pretty much every day. If look, like October 21st, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at all the money people won on this one day. 300, 500, 300, 300, 200, 100. Okay? And then if you look at the leaderboard, look at this person. Okay? Look at how much money people are making here. Okay? So they're talking about last month won. So last month, this number one person won 7 contests. So let's say their average 300. That's 2,100 that she won in a month. So that's pretty decent money, don't you think, guys? And do you see the amounts earned here? I'm guessing this is the lifetime. Look at this top person, 51,000. Okay, guys, this is incredible. Let's take a look at this person. How long this person has been a member? Only since May of 2018. So as of this recording, this person have not even been on this site for a year and a half, and has made, oh, this is updated, $54,008, almost $55,000, guys, in a year and a half. That is not bad at all. Okay, you can see how many contests she's won. It's over 200. And what else is she doing? So this is the part that I want to point out, guys, okay? This is probably what she's making the big bucks in as well. Not only winning those contests, which are pretty big bucks, like 300 bucks a pop or 500 bucks a pop, but this is incredible too. She comes up with branded information for any new business owner just to pick it up. They get a brand new name and a domain already. You see that what she's offering here is that she's selling this for almost $1,900 for a domain name. Okay, that's obviously registered already under herself, because you need to make sure this is, you own it. Okay, you gotta buy the domain, or else you're gonna run the risk of somebody buying it if you're gonna have it on here and then you don't buy it yourself. Then somebody could snatch it up and then you can't sell this anymore because you don't own the domain. All right, and then there's also complimentary logo design as well as complimentary audience testing. So for the logo design, I'm going to show you another tool that's going to be very easy, guys, okay? And you can do this, okay? You can do this, and it's not that bad at all. And you could also offer a payment plan, which makes it easier for people. But, I mean, look at her. This one is earning $51,000 from her time being here, 54, almost 55,000. So it is very doable here for the things that, you know, for this type of work. So the other tool that I was going to show you that will help you with the logo design is this one right here. It's called freelogodesign.org. And all you're going to do is type in a name. So let's say you were generating a name here. Let's see which one we like. So let's go back to our card list, and I really like this Caraholic. So let's try using Caraholic. It says, do you want the AI designer that builds your logo in 3 minutes? Yes, hello, that's what I'm here for. So you're just going to enter in some information about the car. Here, I'm going to put in a tagline like, car sharing made easy. Car sharing. So what type of business about, okay, so let's see, car sharing, round trip, car rental, sharing. And then now you can choose your favorite icon. Let's see, oh, I like this one. Or actually, I mean, there's so many. I mean, I love that they have all these already. So I'm just going to pick this one for now, because this is the first one. And then you can pick the color scheme that you like. You could actually look at, you need to look at the contest rules. Just look at the contest rules and see what they are looking for as well. If they're looking for something that's more subdued, then you're going to use like maybe the forest colors. But if they want something like more bright, you might go retro or summer. So for car sharing, I'll just do summer right now and see what happens. And then you're gonna look for a font. And then look at all these different types of logos that instantly pops up right here. Now, if this is not quick and easy, I don't know what else it is. So this is really, really good for anybody who wants to get into making money online. And this is a very, very quick way for you to learn how to just provide somebody with a new company name with a logo. And hopefully this is a domain that's available too. And look, you could package that and sell it for $2,000. Okay, so this is definitely a way for you to make money online, guys. This is the method that I want to show you. And in time, if the more you do these, the more money that you can make. So as long as you can keep being creative and come up with different names. So when you have earned some money from winning these contests, or selling a logo, a domain or a logo, then save that money and then make a bigger business. Okay, you can now invest in a bigger business like the one I've been building. Okay, so check it out. Go to my YouTube channel. Again, in the channel art on the right, you will click that Make Big Money Here link. And if you're on mobile, you can just go to my About tab of my YouTube channel, and that same link is on the bottom of that page. Okay, guys? So I really hope that this video was valuable to you. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. It really helps my channel and this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can make more money and learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Okay, guys? Thank you and bye.